Welcome to our Nestlé Milkpak processing plant. Today, I'll walk you through exactly how fresh milk from Pakistani farms
Your milk is good quality today.
Thank you. This payment will help my family.
Insulated milk tanker trucks are loaded at collection centers. The stainless steel tankers maintain cold temperatures.
This is the Nestlé Milkpak processing facility, where raw milk becomes safe, packaged Milkpak.
Good morning. Documents and seal, please.
Here you go. Everything should be in order.
In the receiving laboratory, rapid quality tests determine if the milk meets Nestlé standards. With laboratory approval confirmed, the tanker begins unloading. Sanitary hoses connect tanker outlets to the
Empties. Empty tankers proceed to the clean-in-place station for thorough sanitization. Automated systems spray the tank.
Received milk is pumped to massive refrigerated raw milk silos. 4 towering silos.
Quality technicians continuously monitor raw milk during storage. Automated sampling system each silo.
กิติสืบเอ็นซึ่งหมุนแคบเทนตรวจท่าทีสันสู้หน้าถิ่นฐานขับสุริศักดิ์ทำจากทันกันทัน
Fresh from Pakistani farms, every drop of milk has been tested, verified, and traced. Now it enters our state-of-the-art
Preheated milk enters the high-speed clarifier, a centrifugal separator spinning at 7,000 RPM.
The clarified milk enters centrifugal separators that divide it into skim milk and cream. Separated cream is collected in dedicated holding tanks. The rich, yellow-white cream, containing 4 separated skim milk, flows to large holding tanks. The bluish-white skim milk serves as the base for standardization. Temperature control maintains freshness.
At the standardization station, skim milk and cream are precisely blended to achieve target fat content.
Sophisticated inline analyzers continuously monitor standardized milk composition. Infrared sensors measure.
Standardized milk enters high-pressure homogenizers, powerful machines that create Milkpak's smooth, consistent texture.
Milkpak maintains consistent texture throughout its shelf life. Standardized, homogenized milk enters pre-treatment buffer tanks. These intermediate storage vessels maintain.
Central Processing Control Room monitors all Phase 2 operations.
Operators monitor temperatures, flow rates, and equipment status. Milk nose. Comprehensive analysis verifies fat, protein, and lactose. Physical tests confirm density.
Automated SIP programs flush pipes, tanks, and processing machinery with cleaning solutions. The multi-stage process ensures complete cleanliness.
Purified, precisely standardized, and perfectly homogenized, our milk now enters the heat treatment stage.
The standardized milk enters the first stage of UHT processing, preheating through regenerative heat exchangers.
Preheated milk enters the final heating stage, where steam-heated exchangers rapidly raise temperature to.
The milk at 137 degrees Celsius flows through the holding tube, a precisely designed pipe system that maintains.
Immediately after the holding tube, the sterile milk undergoes flash cooling.
The milk is now sterile and ready for aseptic packaging.
The UHT processed milk enters aseptic buffer tanks, sterile holding vessels that maintain product sterility between processing and packaging. Quality technicians verify UHT process effectiveness through specialized testing. Turbidity tests detect any protein denaturation.
Despite the intense heat treatment, UHT processing preserves milk's nutritional value. Laboratory analysis.
Continuous temperature recording systems document the entire UHT process for every batch. Critical safety systems protect against inadequately processed milk reaching packaging. If temperature sensors detect
The UHT system undergoes rigorous clean-in-place procedures. Extended high-temperature CIP cycles remove.
The utility systems supporting UHT processing are impressive in scale.
Sophisticated automation systems control every aspect of UHT processing. PLCs manage temperature.
Completely sterile and nutritionally preserved, our milk now flows toward aseptic packaging, where it will be sealed in special. Rolls of laminated packaging material are prepared for the filling machines. Each roll contains thousands of carton blanks. The flat packaging material is transformed into three-dimensional carton shapes within the filling machine. Empty carton shells undergo sterilization before filling. Hydrogen peroxide bath or spray coats the sterile filling zone is the most critical area of the packaging system. Sterile air flows continuously downward, creating positive pressure. High-precision filling systems ensure every Milkpak carton contains the exact labeled volume. Flow meters measure dispensed quantities. For smaller carton formats, automated straw applicators attach drinking straws to the carton exterior. Comprehensive inspection systems verify every carton before case packing. Metal detectors check for any contamination. Vision systems inspect seal integrity. Verified cartons accumulate on conveyor systems before case packing. Multiple lanes organize cartons for grouping. Completed cases receive identification coding for distribution tracking. Barcode and lot code printing enables inventory management.
Finished cases are stacked onto shipping pallets by automated palletizing systems. Layer by layer, cases
are perfectly filled and hermetically sealed. Each Milkpak carton contains pure, sterile milk protected from light and oxygen. Critical commercial sterility testing verifies UHT processing effectiveness. Sample cartons are incubated. Any surviving
Comprehensive nutritional analysis verifies Milkpak content matches label claims. Fat content is measured by
Ongoing shelf life studies monitor Milkpak quality. Sample cartons are stored under various conditions and periodic
integrity testing, barrier analysis, compression testing, packaging verification.
Quality assurance extends to all ingredient and material supplies.
It's Rudolubens. The finished goods warehouse manages large inventory volumes. Warehouse management systems track every pallet location.
Customer orders are processed through integrated systems linking sales, inventory, and logistics. Nestlé distribution trucks are loaded with Milkpak orders for delivery. Efficient loading patterns maximize truck utilization. Nestlé distribution trucks deliver Milkpak to retailers across Pakistan, ensuring fresh products are always within reach.
From Pakistani farms, where fresh milk is collected at dawn, through state-of-the-art processing that ensures pure. From Pakistani farms, where fresh milk is collected at dawn, through state-of-the-art processing that ensures pure.
And that's how Nestlé Milkpak is made. From fresh milk collected at Pakistani farms to perfectly processed, safely packed.
Subscribe for more factory tours and food production documentaries.